Oh, we're gonna miss this. All of them. Yan. Hi! Thank you so much! Ngayon guys, ulit kami ngayon sa labas ng Picnic Hotel. So, init! And yes, we are waiting for the Grab. So, thank you so much Picnic Hotel for inviting us here in your lovely and wonderful hotel. So, init. Ayun na yung Grab. Wala, totoo ba? 53. Ready na kami for another wait. And we're gonna go here. So, ayan. Bye from now, guys. Thank you so much, Thailand. And Picnic Hotel for this one. Hindi ka na magpatugtog dito ba Bluetooth speaker?
Uy, ang ganda ate.
Naka-VIP.
That's the VIP ban in Thailand. You know, guys? So, we're gonna... Hindi tayo uwi ng Pinas. We tour again.
We're going to
with
tour
the
again.
van. So,
The vanity.
wow, it's so nice.
Ang ganda. Na-amaze ako. Wow!
Alam mo parang bat.
Wala na.
Alam mo na yung feeling na hinahatid?
Magi.
Tapos may mga naglalakad sa likod.
Pagpigit ka.
Tapos may naglalakad sa likod.
Ang tawag dito TST.
TST.
Talk and text.
Service and Transport.
Services.
Pero hindi siya parang VIP kineme.
Ayun ang nabasa ko.
Ayun,
VIP.
VIP. Jessica, di ka nagre-read.
Yung mga gantong design sa sa Thailand, VIP yung ano.
Wow. Parang gusto ko Kuya, pa-connect nga ng Bluetooth na siya. Kuya, patugtog kayo, B. Boarding na guys, sasakbo na tayo. Boardwalk na siya guys, boardwalk. Hindi na siya boarding, boardwalk na. Ayun, ayun. Mama, boarding na mi. Hindi.
Lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under or next to your seat. To use it, slip it over. Are located at all exits. During evacuations, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lines to the nearest exits as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to any emergency exits are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in any form, including vaping and e-cigarettes in the toilet, will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
Papuntang Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And while on the biyahe, they ordered si Kevin ng I don't know, ano to? Ano order to? So, nasi melak pansar. So, I don't know kung anong tawag sa kanya, pero yeah, I think it's a chicken. So, we're gonna go and eat. Kaso, ate nakakamuya. May katabi kaming ano din dites, kasi hindi siya nalaps. So baka mamaya, diba? Subuan ko na lang. Yeah. So kakain muna tayo. Hindi ko alam kung nagpe-play ba to or what, pero I'm gonna try. So wait lang guys. Food. Naririnig mo ba ako? Yes. So this is your food. Yan. Yan. Nag-gently sila. Yan.
Ano yan? Adobo? Adobo? May balong. May balong. Yung grill. Chicken.
Pero yan.
Parang adobo.
Mukha kasi siyang adobo. Hindi naman. Ate, namumuya akong lumaps dito sa sugar. We're gonna try this. Ito. Try natin siya. Ayan. Ano to, maanghang? Or yung paste na lang? Tapos may isang pirasong chicken. Try natin siya. Lasang ginataan. Lasang ginataan guys.
Kuya.
Panalo siya. So, dito na kami ngayon sa airport ng Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And, oh my God, ate.
Ganun din sa'yo?
Here and we're actually stay here for 4 days now. Hindi tayo mapapagod ha. Hindi tayo mapapagod.
Pero wala naman, bago lang ako.
So, another day, another moment.
Tatalo na siya.
Sa immigration, since ang immigration na dito ay mismo dito na sa airport ng Malaysia. Yan. So, unlike sa Pilipinas, nakapagpaalis ka doon ng immigration, dito naman is nandito yung immigration. Pagdating mo, hindi gaya sa iba na bago ka umalis. So, ayan. On the way lang, and sabi lang naman namin kung ilang araw lang mga dito, 4 days stay, tapos hanggang 23 lang kami na yon. Tapos sa may Scott Garden Soho yung aming mag-i-stayhan or yung aming pupuntahan. So, that's all. We're here na and we're done with the immigrations. So, actually wala naman masyadong tanong. Anyways, ayun nga, so far wala namang tinanong. But regardless lang kung tatanong din sila if ever kung kailan kayo mag-stay. So, fully detailed lang. Pero sa amin kasi wala masyadong tinanong. Ayun, medyo masakit ang ating tiil dahil tayo ay matanda na. So, ayan, paalis na sila. And iwan na nila ako. So, bye-bye! Malaysia! Welcome sa Malaysia! Andito na kami sa Malaysia. Yan, Malaysia. Hi! So, nag-ayos po ako ng buhok dahil yung buhok ko is...
Ayan o.
Thank you.
Okay.
How much?
How much?
3,000 baht. Ito na lang.
Ay, mababa yung nila. Mababa yung...
300?
Mababa yung value ng baht nila.
Yun na lang.
Philippine peso, hindi pang lang.
7 point.
Bili lang ito ng
So, let's go na.
Yes.
One eternity later.
Bawal matulog ate, hindi pa pwede ang ganyan-ganyan.
Kaya pinsan pag umuwi ako, parang kailangan ko pa rin.
Hindi higa ha.
Kailangan, kapag di ako update,